Alright, just around here. I'm doing another unboxing today on a product review. Hit the bell if you like the videos, and next time a video comes out, you can be first to know about it. I'm doing random unboxing, how-to videos, helpful videos, garden vlogs, and other things that are pretty cool. So today, I was at Lowe's and I picked up a Kobalt. I was at Lowe's today, and I picked up a Kobalt Quick Connect blowgun kit. The item number is 0498365. It's a 5-piece kit which I'll be using with my air compressor, and it's going to help me to, I'm in the shop, cleaning up around the shop, and just blowing things away, cleaning up items, blowing out stuff which is dusty, and just overall just a quick thing I picked up. I think I purchased it for, it was on sale, $4.99, which you can't beat that for this deal. And if you look at the back here, you can see that there's the it comes with the industrial plug, which is going to connect into your air compressor. And it comes with the blowgun piece itself, the main unit, which is pretty cool. They have a safety nozzle on top. Then they have the extension for blowing out things far away or getting in between things, cleaning out your workbench, whatnot. And then they have a rubber blowgun tip. So this is a pretty cool item here. If you never used a blowgun before, I use it around the shop, cutting up wood, doing different projects, blowing things out. You can use it indoors too as well when you're doing projects. You use it for cleaning your keyboard, inside of your car, cleaning your dashboard, whatnot, any type of thing. So let's open it up and take a look at it. The first piece is the air blow. This is the blowgun. It's made out of pretty good material. Like I said here. Here's the piece here where the air is going to go out. You're going to hold it like this, and air is going to go out. Your tip's going to go on the end here, and your industrial plug or your connector is going to go in here on this side. Make sure you put some tape around the outside before you screw it in, so that you make sure you get a really good seal. I'm just going to put it in a little bit here. We're going to really redo it before I put it in. The next piece is the extension that goes on here. This is for reaching tough areas. It screws right in as well. It's got to screw it in. You don't need tape here on this one so much. It will screw right in here. It'll actually pop right in like this, and now when you blow in your air, it's going to come out. Whenever you blow in your air, it's going to come out the end of the tip here. That's going to work out great. And then your other two pieces will be your safety nozzle, which is here, and that goes on the same way. Screw it right off and screw that on. It also comes with the rubber blowgun for blowing up things, and that's another piece. So that's all 5 pieces. It's a really good product. Only paid $4 for it. If you used it before, let me know. Say once again, it's the Kobalt. Cool. Thanks.